Hey guys, this is Sam. So today we're gonna talk about our PC exam in oral com combined with PT in infographics and MIL. So let's go. First question is, how was your output? Our output is it's really good. So we produce a really excellent work. So each of us contributed to it. It met our expectations so well, like the layout, the information, as well as the content. Uh, everything seems really good. So next question is, how did communication take place in working on your output? Well, um, we communicated each of our roles, or what should we do in the output to make it work or make it look good. If we didn't communicate to make the output, I think we wouldn't have a great output. So yes. So next question is, what are the weaknesses or for points for improvement in your output? I think for me, the backdrops of style in use in our infographics. So yeah. So next question is, what barriers in communication have you experienced while creating your output? Enumerate and explain them. Um, I believe that we didn't encounter many of the communication obstacles. The physical barriers worked well, semantic was good, also cultural, psychologically it was also fine. Yes. So let's proceed to the next question. Self-evaluation of her performance and contribution to the group. My contribution to the group is to research about the output. Uh, you're gonna search or research some legit legit sites or credible sources to have some idea to put in the output. So that's my role, a researcher, and I also help to design the output. Yes. So next question is, suggestion to improve the output. Um, in my group, I think I don't have that much suggestion. Just improve the overall output and give more effort so that the output can the output can be good. So, and give a little extra effort to make it right. So thank you.